Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing salad with the peas, and for that we need some bacon, the peas of course, 1 egg, 1 pepper, cucumber, and some sour cream. For the beginning we need to start with cutting down the bacon into several pieces like as you see in the video. Let's start with that, and whenever done we'll go to the next step by cutting down the cucumber. Make some slices out of it, and then let's have more slices. You can cut it into several pieces so that it won't be too long ones, and then add it to the rest. Now let's go on and continue with cutting down the pepper. You can choose any color of it. Now we have a red pepper. Cut it down into slices as well. And whenever done, you will be adding this to the other ingredients. Here we go. We have 1 egg, which is hard-boiled beforehand, and let's cut it down as well. In fact, it is a very easy recipe, and you don't need much for this. Let's go on and cut down also some parsley, add the peas, and add half a teaspoon or a little bit of less of tablespoon of salt, red pepper, black pepper, and the sour cream. Let's go on and mix all of this together properly. See how beautiful the colors are, how beautiful it is. Will be wonderful for your table. And whenever done, you will be ready to taste it. We hope you like it and you will share this recipe with your friends. Good appetite!